So can you hear my voice as well?
Yes.
Yeah, so um, initially we planned to use Tidal and Hydra to do our thing, and of course we used a BCI headset, but the effects we were trying to achieve were very difficult to do in Hydra. So last week we switched to processing, and Max somehow did all the effects in a very short time, and we were highly inspired by Paratap. So whenever you see our effects, you will see that they are almost the same as Paratap, but we got really inspired by it, and we think that it fits our whatever we are trying to do like really super well. So our methodology is we use processing for our visual effects and tidal cycle for our audio environment. So we send tidal cycle audio signals through OSC to processing, and then we use Muse S2 headset to read EEG alpha beta gamma accelerometer gyro signals from our brain, and then we use Muse Monitor, which is an app, and also the Muse regular app to get it connected to our phone. And from our phone, we send the data to processing uh, over OSS signals. Our code interprets all the OSS signals, and it creates visual effects on processing. So this is just a flow chart of what's going on. So whatever I just described in flowchart form, I guess. Um, uh, so this part is like really new. Max got COVID like 2 days ago. We were supposed to perform in class. That's what we planned, but that's not possible now. So we had to use port forwarding to connect our PCs with each other. So I'm at home, Max is at home. So we are sending our data over the internet, and Max has a port open in her computer, and she is receiving my signals through that port and through her public IP. And for the visual effects, uh, with Tidal, we assigned unique visual effects for each instrument. So whenever each instrument is playing, you'll see individual visual effects with that. In Hydra, we really didn't have that because everything was like controlled by FFT previously. But this like makes everything like separated. So let's take a look. This is an instrument called RP. I don't know. It's in title. So this is how the visual effect looks. Can you guys hear the sound as well?
No. Can you reshare with sound?
Yes. Let me just. Hear the sound now.
Yeah.
So this is the effect for apply, the RP effect. And this is hi hat and CP. This is GABA and CP. These are different instruments in title. This is D. This is just an instrument. I don't know what's called that. This is super piano and GABA. And for brain activity, we made the visual effects controllable by with our brainwave functions. So whatever you saw in our screen, those has colors, right? So what we did is whenever our brain activity is high, we will show a vibrant color in our screen, and whenever it's low, it will show a darker color. And we used lerp to smooth out the transition between darker colors and vibrant colors and vice versa. And uh, the vibrance is like dynamically calibrated, so it will go to your, like, if your brain activity is low, it will set that as the lowest value, current lowest value, and if it goes higher than that, then it will set the highest lowest value, so it's dynamically calibrated. And let's take a look when our brain activity goes from low to high, you will see the color change. As you can see, our at the end the colors were very bright, uh, and in the beginning it was very dark. But we will show the opposite as well. So going from high to low. So it almost becomes very dark, and when it's black. This is a prototype. I also shared this in our group, mm, but I'm not going to show it here. So now what we plan to do is we are planning on doing a live performance. Um, so Max, you wanna take over?
Yep. I will share screen.
Wait, are there two streams at the same time? I don't know how to do this.
Yeah, I think, yeah.
Or should we just be watching Max's stream?
I think
Or
so. Yeah, I'll just be sharing title code, so it's not necessary to look at mine.
Is
okay,
it possible to watch two at the same time?
I don't know. Oh wait, there's a yes, there's a plus button, multiple streams.
Wait, really? How do you? Oh, plus.
Um,
Oh, you can
Might
like
not.
flip back and forth between them, I think.
Yeah, okay, sweet.
So I'm just testing if the OSC receiver on the processing working. So I opened the application Touch OSC on my phone, and when I click a button, it will generate a animation on the like in the processing application.
Okay, let's begin. I'll just send a signal, send a sound. I guess that's the idea.
Also, I'm wearing the headset all the time.
So that was Max's brain?
Yeah, that was my brain.
Nice.
That was very cool.
Yeah, this was our first time trying the new OSC over IP thing out. Glad it worked.
It made me think. It made me think about. Okay, so Max, you were mostly watching, not like hitting keys or anything. Is that correct?
Yeah, I'm not hitting keys. I'm just
Okay.
watching.
Cool. I guess I just started thinking about how useful it could be to like have some type of library like this for other title users of like graphics that could be like immediately triggered by title sounds. Like if you had, I mean, this would be a huge project, right? But if you literally made something for like every sound in the Dirt library, and then anybody who